Nustar Resort and Casino is a 9-hectare integrated resort and casino facility in Kawit Point, South Road Properties, Cebu City. The project, which includes restaurants, bars, a mall, convention center, casino and park, Universal Hotels and Resorts Incorporated, is the owner and developer of Nustar Resort and Casino. If you're planning on taking a vacation, why not spend that time in luxury at Nustar Casino? The resort offers services suitable for any setting, from partying with friends to spending time with your family.